New home builders are working at a feverish pace to keep up with buyers' demands. Resale homes have low inventory, where well-priced listings are receiving multiple offers within days of launching onto the market. Both new and resale homes offer significant but very different advantages. Danny Lau here from Lion Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. Let's talk about the pros and cons of new versus resale homes and a few miscellaneous items to watch out for. Pros for a new home is that they come with a new home smell with brand new appliances and materials, so required maintenance is typically less. Some home builders also offer warranty in case certain problems occur over time. New homes are also typically built with the latest technologies in mind, so you can expect high-speed internet connections, multiple phone lines, smart thermostats, etc. However, with all these upsides, there are also a few things to watch out for when buying new homes. They typically advertise at a starting at price where any upgrades or changes from there on requires additional dollars. Some new developments have HOA fees, and some have Mello Roos. If you're not familiar with the term Mello Roos, it is a special district established by local government in California as a means of obtaining additional public funding. That cost is on top of the HOA fee and on top of the property tax. Mello Roos can cost up to a few $100s a month, so before you make a decision, make sure to ask about it. Lastly, new homes do not typically come with any landscaping, so after the cost of upgrades, HOA, and potential Mello Roos, you will still have to budget for landscaping fees. The pros for resale homes is the potential for home improvements, whereas new homes are priced at the top of the market, which is similar to driving a brand new car off the lot. Resale homes are listed in variable conditions, which may present some mispriced opportunities. Resale tend to cost less than the new homes, and they may already come with items that cost extra in a new home, such as window dressings, build-ins, etc. Lastly, buyers have more room to negotiate the purchase price with an individual seller than when they negotiate with a new home builder. The downside for resale homes as buyers is that you're inheriting all the maintenance needs of the home. It is used, so there may be quirks around the home that you will need to get in tune with. Lastly, as a parting thought, even when purchasing a new home from a home builder, you should be represented by an independent real estate agent. I have personally negotiated price reductions on behalf of my buyers from home builders based on various circumstances. Having an agent to help you navigate that process is invaluable. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Normally, I would say you can also set up a time with me to grab a cup of coffee so we can discuss how real estate can fit into your financial picture. Instead, I'm happy to offer a video call to maintain healthy social distancing. Of course, if you enjoy my video, like it, share it, and tell other people about it. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.